Hello everyone. Okay, this is video number 6 and I'm going to title this one Information Analysis. So what is the most important bit of information we can get? Well, I guess news is a very important one. There are different levels of priority of news and some people will trade news. Obviously what we need to look at is a daily forex calendar to get that news. The other area that I tend to look at are option expiries for the day. I don't know that these are particularly a tradable strategy type information, but have noticed that at certain times, especially if the contracts are big enough and they're very close to the existing price, they can act like magnetic lines on the chart. And if you type into Google forex option expiries for today, you usually will pick up on some sites that list the information in the morning. I'll just drag one across here. This is one I look at, so you can see here this was on Friday, so you got the currencies here and the size of the contracts. Some of them obviously can be quite big and others are quite small, but as I say, some of these can act as magnetic lines on the chart. Not always, but sometimes, so that can cause an erratic move. Futures expiry dates is another one, and if we look on bar chart you can see here the listings. Oh, let's have a look down here. Here we go, here's the listings. So again, certain times of the month we can get strong moves. The COT report's an interesting one to look at now and again. Some of these things that I'm talking about here at some future point will require a dedicated video of their own, I think, because they are quite interesting, some of these. So obviously American government give us these COT reports. That's the Commitment of Traders reports, but again I think another video is needed for that. Some sites convert that information into charts, and one that I do like to look at sometimes is cotbase.com. You get this information for free. If you want extra information, obviously you have to pay for it. You can see here the currencies, and if you click on them it'll bring up a chart and you can see the players in the market and what position they've got. So that's another one. The other one, of course, is the different sessions in the day. So for example, the Asian session, the London session, New York session, so on and so forth. So we're going to get different levels of volume, and we're also going to get different currency pairs that are more active during those sessions. And of course we've got overlaps of sessions as well. For example, the London and New York sessions, they overlap. Another bit of information we need to be aware of is, as it's called, look left. So if we look at this chart, for example, here, if you were trading around this area here, and especially if you were long, you would want to look left and look for support and resistance levels. So we've got a resistance level, obviously a major one here. If you were short, you'd be looking for support to the left. Obviously if you're short here, this is quite a major area here. That's another area. There was an interesting article I read a week or so ago, and I did post it on Penguin somewhere. I'll just bring it up now. I'll attach this with the video, and if you want to have a read about this, this was posted by a trader, and it talks about erratic behaviour within the markets. I won't go through it now, but if you want to have a look, I'll attach that. So that's all I want to talk about. It's only a short one. Might seem to be a bit boring, but has anyone else got any other ideas or areas of information that they could add to this list that I've just spoken about? Okay, that was video 6, Information Analysis. Wow, sounds good, doesn't it? Okay, cheerio now, bye.